Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to be taking you through my wash day routine. I just love it when wash days are very simple, but at the end of it, still feeling pampered and like I've given my hair all the love that it needs. So if this sounds right up your alley and you're just looking for something really quick for your own wash day routine as well, then you've came to the right video, so please keep on watching.
I just want to know if you my friend. I just want to know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my paper straight, girl.
It's been about 2 weeks, so it is wash day. First, I'm starting off by making sure my hair is as wet as possible. I do have low porosity hair, meaning my hair tends to like soak up water or product a little bit longer. So I have to stay in the shower a little bit longer, just making sure that every single strand of my hair is as wet as possible, okay? So once I'm done doing that, I'm going to go straight in with my shampoo, and I'm using the one from Bread. This is my first time using this shampoo, but I absolutely love the way it makes my hair feel, and the smell is just amazing as well. And I'm going to be shampooing my hair around twice. I always feel like the first shampoo doesn't really, you know, when you like the shampoo to like suds, I just feel like the first round doesn't really give me that. So the first round is kind of like a pre-shampoo, and then I'm going to go in a second time and make sure that I shampoo my hair properly. So here you can see I'm using the tip of my finger. I'm not using my nails because you don't really want to scrape your scalp, and I'm just using that to massage my edges, massage the rest of my hair as well. Once I'm done shampooing, I'm going to go straight into conditioning my hair, and I'm using a hair mask to condition at the same time because it's kind of like a 3-in-1. So you can use it as a leave-in, a hair mask, and also as a conditioner. So I'm using the Garnier Hair Food as my conditioner today, and I'm going to leave it in for about 5 minutes or so. So I guess you can say it's a deep mask as well. And I'm going to be detangling my hair, and I love using this comb from Tangle Teaser, and I like to detangle my hair in sections when I'm conditioning it because it just makes the process a lot easier for me. My hair has honestly come such a long way. Like, look at these curls. I don't really wear my hair in its natural state as well. Also, if you guys didn't know, fun fact, I did big chop my hair a few years ago, and where it is now, like, it's come such a long way. If you want to know more about the journey, let me know in the comment section and I can create a video for you. The washing process is done, so it's time for me to go in and apply my leave-in conditioner. And I love this one from Bread because it just makes my hair smell so good and just really soft and just hydrated as well. And I'm using it alongside the Weleda Revitalizing Hairspray. This is not an oil, so it's perfect to spray into my hair before blow drying, and it also has that rosemary, so it's really good for promoting hair growth as well. I just want to say as well, like, my wash days, sometimes they all look different on each day depending on what I'm doing. Sometimes I like to do like a at-home mask, and sometimes I just like to keep it where it's just shampoo and conditioner and I'm out. And other days I will maybe not blow dry my hair, I will let it air dry, but it all depends on what I'm doing to my hair. So I just want to like put that out there and say my wash days all look a little bit different, but something about this wash day that I really love, and I just had to share it with you guys. Blow drying routine is normally the longest part of my wash day routine, I would say. I'm using 2 different types of blow dryer to blow dry my hair today. One, it just helps me to make sure that things are pre-dried, and then the other one helps me to get my hair as straight as possible, especially for days where I'm going to be doing like protective styling. I just want my hair to be as straight as I can get it with just blow dryer. get up to open my window, because if I didn't, my alarm would like go off. Because anytime I use this blow dryer, it does get a little bit smoky in here, which is why sometimes I don't like to use it. I like to use the other one, but the other one don't get my hair as dry and as straight like the root. If I use just that one, the root will still be a little bit knotted, but if I use this, the root will be straight, so it's easier for me to like, you know, put up and stuff. So that is why I use this one, but it's not my favorite to use. Can't really hold it from here. I don't know if anyone else find that problem when using this type of blow dryer. I can't really hold it from here because it's just really weird. And then this part as well, it kind of like slip off when I hold it from here. So I try to like hold it from here so I have like a better control, but it still slips, so it's not like the most comfortable in my hand. So I'm done like blow drying my hair like for the most part, but my hand can go through it, but the root, there's still some curly bits of the root because it's not dry properly. I don't know if you can see, especially like in the middle part here. So I'm gonna like go over it another time because I really want it to be like as dry as I can get it. So I'm gonna like go over it another time, and I'm gonna do it with this blow dryer. So the hair is like done blow dry now, and it's time for me to go in and trim. And I'm gonna use this hair scissors that I got from Amazon. I'm gonna leave it linked down below if you guys want to get one as well. I have a separate scissors just for my hair. You don't want to be using kitchen scissors in your hair because that's not gonna do you and your hair any good. So you want to grab a sharp pair of scissors that's just for your hair. I'm gonna like trim. I'm gonna like separate that. Use my hand to comb through and then kind of like inspect the ends. This is what my ends are currently looking like, so you see that it definitely in need of a trim. So I'm gonna just bring it up here and I'm gonna trim off that much. That part that you can literally like barely see, I'm just gonna trim it off. Probably should I get something to put the hair on. I'm gonna put it on this. I'm done trimming my hair as well. I think I've trimmed off enough, to be fair, and the ends aren't looking that bad. In the next like few months, then I'll do like another trim as it grows. Then I like to just inspect the ends and making sure that I don't have too much split ends and to the point where my ends look like it's like pulling down my hair. Then I will just make sure to give it a trim and stuff. But normally after this I will probably put my hair in like a bun or something until I can kind of like figure out what I'm gonna do with it. I'm kind of in two minds what I want to do with my hair. I think I'm gonna do protective styling. I always do protective styling, but I'm planning to do some braids. I haven't made my mind up if I'm gonna do the braids tomorrow or not, but I have plans to do some braids. So once I figure it out, then I'm gonna like proceed with whatever I'm doing to my hair. But for now I'm just gonna put it up in like a bun. But before I do that, I'm gonna like give this a try. I got this from Treasure Dress as well, and it's the bread hair oil, and on the back it says like lip gloss but for your hair. And I'm like, okay, I really want to give this a try and see how it works. So I'm gonna like just give this a try to just finish off my wash day, and pretty much just put my hair up until we can figure out what the next protective style is going to be. This is what the bottle is looking like. It's literally so freaking cute. I'm gonna take like a small amount and apply into my palm. I really love the applicator on this as well. It doesn't pour out like too much, but it pours out, you know, a decent amount. For my liking, I wish it pours out a little bit more than it's pouring out right now, but that means you get to control the amount of products that's like coming into your hand. I'm gonna use like that much. I don't know if you can see. Rub it in, and then I'm gonna put it in my hair. I really love the way that feels on my hand. I can see why they said it's for lip gloss. It's like lip gloss but for your hair. I can see why they say that. I get it now. I get it. I get it. Just gonna rub that over my hair. See the little shine as well, but it's not too shiny, which is great. It's giving like natural shine. It's not giving like grease, which is really good. My hair is smelling so good, guys. Like literally smelling so good right now. So I'm gonna put this up in like a bun, but this is pretty much the end of my wash day routine. I hope you guys did enjoy watching this video. I hope you learned a thing or two, or maybe see like a product that you'd like to try. Leave down in the comment section below what's your favorite wash day product to use, or what's your favorite thing to do on like a natural hair wash day. I'm really open to like trying new things as well. So if there's something that you really think works for you and your hair type, and you think might work for me and my hair type, maybe we have like similar. I have like a low porosity hair, means that my hair takes a little bit longer to like absorb certain products. So maybe if I'm like washing my hair or wetting my hair takes a little bit longer to absorb the water. I have to wet it a little bit longer. Same for products as well. That's why I ended up using so much shampoo and conditioner when I'm doing that, or like just like leave-in or products like that, because my hair don't really observe products that quick. If you have hair type like that and you have like products or something in your wash day routine that really works for you, leave it down in the comment section below. Maybe you can help someone else out as well. And if you have high porosity, which means your hair soak up a lot of moisture, leave your favorite products down below so you can help other high porosity guys and gals. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching, and let me know what type of video you'd like to see from myself next. Bye.
Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my